Yeah, this is our first problem. Number of lattice points with integral coordinates lie in the triangle and triangular region formed by the line x plus y equal to 2021 with the coordinate axis are k times of 2023 then k value. Listen students. Yeah. This is y-axis, this x-axis. After that, we will draw the line x plus y equal to 2021 on the coordinate plane. Obviously, this is a straight line, okay, which intersect the x-axis at the point 2021 comma 0 and the y-axis at the point 0 comma 2021. Now we want to find the points inside the triangle and on the triangle so that both the coordinates are integers. For example, one of the point is I can say 0 comma 0 is countable point because 0 comma 0 is a point on the triangle, and here 1 comma 0 this is also one of the required points. So in this 1 comma 0 comma 1 x coordinate and y coordinate both are integers. For example, I can take one point 1 comma 2 also inside the triangle. So that point also both the coordinates are integral coefficients. Okay, such a way that we want to count the number of integral points. So, but we need to count logically. Okay, I will explain that. Listen, students. So, this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis, and this is the line. I can say, yeah, x plus y equal to 2021. Obviously, this point is 2021 comma 0. This point obviously 0 comma 2021. Okay, so I will count logically now. Okay, points on y-axis. So point on y-axis since I can say 0 comma 0 is countable point, 0 comma is one countable point, 0 comma 2 is another countable point, so on up to 0 comma 2000. I will write what are those: 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1, so on 0 comma 2021. In number, how many? In number here 1 to 2000, 2021 point and 0 comma extra this 2020, 2022 in number. Okay. Next students, listen. So I will draw a line x is equal to 1 line, x is equal to 1 line, this one, x is equal to 1 line. Obviously this point is 1 comma 0, this point is 1 comma 1, this point is 1 comma 2, so on. We need to find this point, that is point of intersection of x plus y is equal to 0 to 1 line and x is equal to 1 line. Just put x equal to 1 here, then y is equal to 0 to 0. Then I can say that this point is 1 comma 2020. Okay, so I can say that points on that line, the order of countable points, I can write points on x is equal to 1 line. What are the points? 1 comma 0 is countable point, 1 comma 1 is countable point, 1 comma 2 is countable point, so on up to 1 comma 2020 are countable point. In number, what I can say here, 1 to 2020 plus 1 comma 0, totally 2021 countable points. Okay, students. Next, logically, you can count the points on the line x equal to 2. On the line x equal to 2. See, this is for example x is equal to line. So I will write directly points on x is equal to line, or line x equal to whatever. What are the points? This is 2 comma 0, obviously. This is 2 comma 1. These all are countable points. What is this? Obviously 2 comma 2019, because the addition should be 2021. So what are the points? I will write 2 comma 0, comma 2 comma 1, so on 2 comma 2019. In number 2020. So first of all, what have we got? 2022 points, next 2021 points, 2022 points. Like that we will count at last, we will get 1 point, that is 2021. Okay. Okay, students, what happened on x equal to 2? We got 2020. After that, you need to take a line that is x equal to 3. On that line, we will get 2019 lattice points. After that, you want to take x is equal to 4 line. On that line, we will get 2018, so on, so on, so on, so on. So at last, end with this point, that is 2021. So what happened? Initially, on y-axis, I got 2022 point. On x is equal to 1 line, including that, what I got 2021 points. On this line, I got 2020 points. On this line, I will get 2019 points. Next 2018 points, so on, up to 1 point, that is 2021 or 2021 comma 0. So now I will add all that gives the number of required points. I will write the next page. So the required number of points number of points equal to, so first we have 2022, next we have 2021, next we have 2022, plus so on at last 1 point, so which is same as the sum of the first 2002 natural numbers. Already you know that sigma n is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n stands for 2022. 2022 into 2022 plus 1 by 2. So what I can say now? 2022 into 2023 by, okay, here 2. 2 ones are 2, 1, 0, 1 ones are. So what I can say? 1011 into 2023 points. According to the problem, k into 2023 points. Okay, but what is given? This is same as k into 2023. What means that k value is equal 1011. So this is the answer for the problem. I can say 1011. Friends, what is the question? In this triangular region, including sides of the triangle, we want to find the number of integral points. So logically, I counted the point. On this line, we got 2022 points. On this line, we got 202 point. Inside here in this region, no point with the integral coefficient exists now. We get infinitely many points only, but no points with integral coefficient. Similarly, after that, what I did, I found the number of integral points on this line. So, important thing is, here in this space we have infinitely many points. That infinity points also have followed by ordered weights only, but no ordered weight with the integral coefficient. Because this 1, comma 0 after 2, comma 0 only. In between here, no point you can't identify, so that both the coordinates are integers. Like that, in this line we will get some point, in this line we will get some point, so on up to end point is 2021 comma 0. So totally 1 plus 2 plus so on up to 2022 points exist in the triangular region, including sides. Okay. Yeah, this is our next question, students. Interesting question. A equal to 0 comma 0, B equal to 4042 comma 0, C equal to 4042 comma 6063, D equal 0 comma 6063. Determine a rectangle which is the union of 4042 into 6063 unit squares. Okay. Number of those unit squares having non-empty intersect with AC. So interesting problem. I will explain first of all the meaning. Okay, first of all, I will locate all these 4 points on the coordinate plane. Then you will get correct idea. Listen, students. This is, for example, our y-axis. This is our x-axis. Okay. For example, this point is taken as 0, comma 0. I can say A. For example, B is here, whose coordinates are taken as 4042 comma 0. Okay. So one more point D is taken here as 0 comma 6063. Okay. Now through this dry line and through this dry line, so obviously this point becomes 4042 comma 6063 only. So what is the meaning of the problem that I will explain? So this is a rectangle whose side is 4042 units and length is 4042 units and breadth is 6063 units. So if you take this rectangle and coordinate plane, so it gives 4042 into 6063 unit square. I will show you what are those. This is x, x equal 1 line. This is x is equal to 2 line. This is x equal to 3 line. This x is equal to 4 line. So on, so on, so on. This x is equal to 4041 line, and white color is x equal to 4042. That I will write now, no problem. This is equal x is equal to 1 line, x is equal to 2 line, x is equal to 3 line, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4041 line, x is equal to. Similarly students, I can say this is equal to y equal to 1 line, this is equal to y equal to 2 line, I can say y equal to 3 line, y equal to 4 line, so on, y equal to 6062 line, I can say like that. This is y is equal to 1 line, and y equal to 1 line, this is y equal to 2, y equal to 3 line, so on, y is equal to 6062, this y is equal to 6060. So what happened here? We have some squares, no? Yeah, this is 1 square, 1, and all are unit squares only. How many unit squares is obviously that is nothing but area of the rectangle. I can say 4042 into 6063 such rectangles. So what is the problem, students? Listen, if I join AC, for example, join AC. I join AC. Okay, now we want to count the number of squares inside the this region, so that there should be an intersecting with the line and squares. You see here, the square and line are intersecting. This square and line are intersecting. This square and line are intersecting. This square and line are intersecting. For example, this is square is taken. This square and line are not intersecting. This is not countable square. So this is not a countable square. This is not a countable square. This is not a countable square. Such a way you want to count the squares. Clearly given, no? The number of those unit squares have non-empty intersection with this. Non-empty, this should be intersect. There should be intersect. So what I can say, this is countable square, but this is not countable square. This is not a countable square. This is not a countable squares. So what I can say, this is one of the countable square. This is one of the countable square. This is one of the countable square. Like that, we want to find the countable squares inside the region by in this triangular region. But how can you count? So we should count logically. So for my explanation purpose, students, I took here one a grid here. See here. This is I can say 0, 0. I will say for example, this is y-axis. So this is x-axis. Yeah, this is a grid now. I can say this is A 0, 0. This is x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 5, x equal to 6 line. Means I can say this is 6, 0. So this is y is equal to 1, this is y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, y is equal to 5, y is equal to 6. Y equal to 7, y equal to 8, y equal to 9. I can say this point is 6, 9, and this point I can say that 0, 9. Observe the students. So I am explaining the problem taking a rectangle with the vertices 0, 0, 6, 0, 6, 9, and 0, 9. For example, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. If A and C are joined, now I will count how many squares are having intersection with the line AC. I will explain it here, students. It is interesting thing you will get. Yeah. Join AC. Join AC. Join AC. In this diagram, directly I can say that this is one of the countable square, second countable square, third countable square, fourth countable square. This is 5th countable square, 6th countable square, 7th countable square, 8th countable square, 9th countable square, 10th countable square, 11th countable square, 12th countable square. Means 12 squares are there in this grid. They are having a non-empty intersection with AC. But how to count logically? That I will explain. So listen students. So here important thing is, students listen. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, the line is passing through this vertex. Here 1, 2, 3. After that, the line is passing through this vertex. After this vertex. What mean that? What are the coordinates of that point? So 2, 3. Coordinates of this point is 2, 3. What are the coordinates of this point, Nana? 4, 6. Okay. What happened here? 0 to 2, 3. In this area, I have 4 squares. 2, 3 to 4, 6, another 4 squares. 4, 6 to 6, another 4 squares. But how to count logically? Totally I got 12, no? Okay. Do one thing, student. Find slope of AC. Slope of AC. That is what happened? 6 minus 0 by, 9 minus 0 by 6 minus 0 by 2 minus 1 by x2 minus 6. 9 by 6. That is 3 by 2. So slope of A is 3 by 2. So let this point is P1 and say this point is P2. So find slope of AP1. Slope of AP1. That is equal to 3 minus 0 by 2 minus 0. I can say 3 by 2. What means that? Slopes are equal means AP1 slope equal to AC means on the line AC, P1 is a point on it. Because they should be collinear. The slopes are equal. No? So what happened? P1 is here collinear. Similarly, find slope of AP2. Then we will get interesting result now. Slope of AP2. Slope of AM 0, 0, P 4, 6. 6 minus 0 by 4 minus 6, that is 6 by 4. That's against 3 by 2. What means that P2 also a collinear point with the AP1 and C. I can say somewhere P2. What means that one P1, P2 are collinear points with AC, or I can say A, P1, P2, C are collinear, and the line AC passes through A2, P2, 3, P2, 4, 6, and C, 4, 6. In this area, I got 4 squares. In this area, I got 4 squares. In this area, I got 4 squares. 4 plus 4 plus 4, totally 12 square. Such a way that logically you want to solve the problem. Okay? Listen, students. Such a way that you want to solve the problem. Okay. Now I will explain. Actually, in our problem, so this is 4042, 6060. In our problem, see this one. So this is in our problem. This is 4042, 0. This point is 0, 6060. What means that x is equal to one line, x is equal to x, so on, so on, so on, so on. So many lines will be inside. So this is x is equal to 4041 line. This is x equal to 4042 line. Y equal to 1, y equal to so on. What I can say 1 minute. So y equal to 6 and so on, so on, so on. This y is equal to 6062 line. Now if A and C are joined here, A and C are joined. First of all, we want to count the corner points. Corner point, like this points. Corner point. So what is in this diagram? This P1. So what is the slope of AC? I will find slope of AC. From that we will get slope of AC is 6063 minus 0 by 4042 minus 0. Y2 minus 1 by H2 minus X1. Okay, what happened? 6063 by 4042. 2021 2s are, 2023 3s are. Is 3 by 2. Slope of AC equal to 3 by 2. Listen, students. Slope of AC equal to 3 by 2. I will write. Slope of AC equal to 3 by 2. What means that? Now just to even identify points on AC so that they are collinear with AC. Okay. So I will draw a line. I will draw here. This is A 0 0. This is C 4042, 6063. Obviously one point exists here P whose coordinates are 2, 3. Because slope of AP1 I can say 3 by 2. If that collinear with AC. One more point exists here P2 I can say that 2 2s are 4, 4, 6. So one more point exists P3 I can say multiply with 3 nano. So what happens? 6, 9. So all these points are collinear with AC1. Observe. AP1 slope is 3 by 2 only. AP2 slope is 3 by 2 only. AP3 slope is 3 by 2 only. So what is logically outcome? Here we got 4 such squares. Here we will get 4 such squares. Here we will get 4 such squares. Like that one more point P4 also exists. What are the coordinates of P4? So what I did here, 2 multiplied, 3 multiplied, 4 multiplied, 8 comma 12, 8 comma 12, another 4 square. Such a way that we want to find. Means that what we should do, how many points are there between A and C, those are collinear with AC should identify. Okay? Okay? From that we will get number of squares. Here 4 squares, here 4 squares, here 4 squares. Like that. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus so on. How many 4s exist? Those many unit squares. Okay? I will write clearly in the next page another one. So I am concluding. So this is the line segment AC nana. This is A 0 comma 0. So this is B, sorry C, that is 4042 comma 6063. Okay. Now I want to count the point. Here some P1 is there, here P2 is there, here P3 is there, here P4 is there, P5 is there, so on. So P6 like that. So this is 0 comma. What are the points here? 2 comma. Multiply with 2, 4 comma 6. Multiply with 3, 6 comma 9. Multiply with 4, 8 comma 12. Multiply with 5, 10 comma 15. Okay, multiply with 6, 12 comma 18, like that, like so on, so on, so on. So observe now what is the length here? 2 units. Here also 2 units. I will show you in diagram here. This length is 2 units. So this length also 2 units. 2 units. Just to identify how many 2 units are there. What the total length, AC length, total AC length is called 4042. 2 units means by 2. 2021. Means what I can such points here 1, like that, like the line segment. How many line segments I can say? 2021 line segment. Each line segment is giving 4 squares. Here 4 squares, here 4 squares, here 4 squares. I can say such 2021 line segments are there, means total number of unit squares, the required unit squares are 2021 times of 4. That is 808. I can say 8084 such unit squares exist. I hope you people understood now. Their AC. In this diagram, we are getting 12. So AP1, P1, P2, P2C directly. But in our original diagram, so many such P's exist now. Here, A here, C here, AP1. Slope is 3 by 2. AP2 slope is 3 by 2. AP3 slope is 3 by 2. AP4 slope is 3 by 2. What happened? All these points are lying on the diagonal, and AP1 gives 4 squares, P1, P2 gives another 4 squares, like that, here. This one giving 4 squares, here we are giving 4 squares, like that, this one gives another 4 squares, and the 4. Now what we should do, we want to identify how many line segments are there here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like. How many are there means? Each having length 2 only, no? Observe here, each having length 2 only. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2, like that. Each having length 2, that's why the total length of AC equal to 4042 by 2, 2021 means I can see that 2021 line segment, each line segment giving 4 squares, total number of squares are 8084. So total actual squares are 4042 into 6063. So among these squares, these many squares are the non-empty intersection with the AC. I hope you have understood. My answer is 8084. This is our next question, students. The number of integral solutions of the equation modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 plus modulus of x minus 3 plus 5 equal to 2021. So I will rewrite the question here. Modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 plus modulus of x minus 3 is equal to 2021. That 5 should subtract. So what happened here? 6, 1. So what I can say? 2016. Just we want to find the number of integral solutions. The solutions are integers. So it satisfies mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 3 equal to 2016. Students, here I will use Friends method, easiest method. So what we should do, first of all, we will draw a number line. Okay. So first of all, you have to zeros of each one. So one of the 0 is here. It is 1. So 1 is 2. 1 is 3. So assume that a person is at this point, another person is at this point, another person is at this point. They want to meet each other so that the distance should be equal to 2016. they want meet each other so that the minimum distance traveled by them should be equal to 2016, such a way that they want meet. Okay students, so for example they want meet at A, how much distance they should travel, we know that. Put x equal 1 in the given expression, what you will get in this expression, so what you will get here, 0 plus 1 plus 2, so 3 units. So they want to meet at the A, so all 3 together should travel 3 units of length. For example, they want to meet at point B, so how much distance they should travel means substitute x equal to in this left hand side expression. So what are the 2 minus 1 plus 0 plus 1, so I can say that 2 units, they should travel 2 units. So for example, they want to meet at the point C, so substitute x equal to 3 in the expression, left hand side of the expression, 3 minus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 0, 3 units. What means that the minimum value of the expression, the minimum value of the expression x minus 1 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 3 equal to 2, minimum distance 2. But what should find? We want to find the sum of the distance, the sum of the distance they should travel is equal to 2016, so that they should meet. So what I can say clearly, if they want to meet at the point C, all the 3 members should travel 3 units. They want to meet at B, all the 3 members should travel 2 units. They want to meet at A, all the members should travel 1 unit. But 2006 means obviously our answer should be here, one answer will be exist here, because all the members are meet at C. So what happened? They traveled 3 units. Again, how many times you want to travel with 2016? 2016 minus 3, 2013. So all the 3 should together travel 2013. So obviously there exists a point. What is that point? I will explain. 2013. All the 3 members. No, 1, 2, 3. Assume that each should travel x. So what I can say? 3x is equal to 2013. X is equal to 618, 20, 7, 671. So 671. 671 plus 3. What is the value now? 671 plus 3 means I can say that this is 4. 674. So this quantity 674. So one of the integral solution of the problem is 674. I hope you could understand. Okay. Next again they will meet at this point. So for example, all the 3 met the point at A. So all the 3 members together traveled 3 units, but they should travel 2016. Again they should travel 2013. So 3 members, 1, 2, 3, x, 3x equal to 2013, then x equal to 671, but should be the, which is the left hand side of the 1. For example, here 0 is there, 1 unit completed. Total how much? By 3 means I can what 671, 1 completed, 670 they should travel, means I can say that this is minus 671. So there are 2 integral solutions for the problem. One is x is equal to 624 and it is 600 minus 671. You can check it. So what I can say, one of the answer is 674 and the answer is minus 671. Okay. So what I can say, there are 2 such integral solutions. So this is one of the method. So we can use general method. General method also explained clearly. So using general method also we will get the same solution. But lengthy method, general method. What I am saying lengthy. So you want to take x is equal to 1 here, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. You want to take the case so that x is less than 1 case. In that case you want to find the solution. In the case of x is equal to 1 to 2, again you want to find the solution. In the case 2 to 3 you want to find the solution. In the case of x greater than 3 also we want to find the solution. You can solve it. There also get 2 solutions. But what I explained, that is easiest method, that is called French method. Okay. So our next problem, students. Yeah. X power logarithm of x to the base 3 minus 4 is equal to 1 by 3 cube, I can say. Or in other words, I can say 3 power minus 3. So what is the problem? X power logarithm of x to the base 3 minus 4 is equal to 3 power minus 3. We want to find such x value. Student, this is in the form of a power x equal to n. If a power x equal to n, under condition I could say x is equal to logarithm of into the base a. what I can say, I feel that this is A, this is X, this is N, like that. Okay, Nana? So what I can say here, Nana, listen. So logarithm of x to the base 3 minus 4 should be equal to logarithm of 3 power minus 3 base x. Or in other words, I can say that logarithm of x to the base 3 minus 4 equal to minus 3 into logarithm of 3 base x. Now such x value should find here. Okay, so I will rewrite here only. Finally, what you got, I will write. Now, if we want to solve the equation, log x base 3 minus 4 plus 3 into log 3 base x equal to 0. Okay? Yeah. So, for my convenience, logarithm of x base 3 is taken as k. Now, equation 1 becomes, students, listen, k minus 4 plus 3 into, this is 1 by k, because log x base 3 and 3 base x are reciprocals, equal to 0. Okay, what I can say, k square minus 4k plus 3 equal to 0. Or this is nothing but k minus 3 into k minus 1 equal to 0. What means that? K equal to 3 or k equal to 1. K means what? Log x to the base 3 equal to 3 or logarithm of x to the base 3 equal to 1. So, to write the exponential form, what will get, Nana? X is equal 27, x is equal 3. So, two solutions are there, the problem. One is 27 and 3. But what the question? X is a prime number. 27 is not a prime, 3 is a prime. Now I can say that my answer is 3. So I can say x equal to 3 is the solution for the problem.